By now, you have all heard about the tragic story of this woman, Shanquella Robinson, who was brutally beaten and murdered by her so called friends on vacation in Mexico just recently. So, I am attorney Candace, and I want to break this down from a legal perspective and see what can be done to get justice.
Everyone wants to see these friends thrown under the jail, and I'm a part of that community who wants to see that happen too. But let's address this from a legal component. Can the friends actually be arrested? Here's the deal: jurisdiction is very important in this situation. Because the murder occurred in the country of Mexico, the US has no jurisdiction to prosecute these friends, okay? So if they are going to be prosecuted for this murder, it's going to have to come from the country of Mexico. So everyone needs to put the pressure and focus on the Mexican jurisdiction to file a criminal complaint and prosecute these friends, okay? A good example of this would come from the TV show Handmaid's Tale. In that show, the star character June kills and murders the commander. After she does that, she turns herself in to the police and confesses of the crime. She wants to go to jail. However, the police, said they declined to prosecute her because the murder occurred outside of the Canadian jurisdiction. Now, don't get discouraged. As an attorney, my job is to find all type of legal loopholes so we can get the result that we want. All right, so in this case, what I would do is I would take a civil approach. Before we dive into what that approach is, let's talk about the autopsy because these facts are going to be relevant. The autopsy showed that Shanquella died. Her cause of death was a broken neck and a cracked spinal cord. Also, there's a video that's unfortunately circulating the internet showing Shanquella naked sitting on the floor and being beaten by one of the friends while the other friends record this brutal act, okay? With that being said, those facts show me a strong case for a wrongful death lawsuit against the friends, okay? Yes, wrongful death lawsuit. I'd file that in North Carolina where the friends reside. And the second cause of action that I would include in that complaint is a cause of action for civil conspiracy. It stated that Shanquella was murdered within 24 hours of landing in Mexico. So was there a conspiracy to kill her? There certainly was a conspiracy to cover it up because the friends lied about her having alcohol poisoning and no one mentioned that she was actually beaten. So that's my legal perspective on this. Rest in peace to this beautiful young lady, and my condolences to the family, and I pray you get the justice that you deserve. Until next time.